Well, nothing accompanies a burger better than a giant milkshake. And if you're nodding, you have to try these freakiest shakes in Dubai. And first up on our list is the cotton candy at Black Tap Dubai. You sure know about their Instagram-worthy burgers, but Black Tap also whips up the best freak shakes in town. And no matter how full you are, do not leave the place without trying their elaborate list of milkshakes. Each shake is a masterpiece, but this gives you a wacky makeover to the humble cotton candy. A tall glass lined up with vanilla frosted rim, chocolate, a pink lollipop, rock candy, whipped cream and oodles of cotton candy is what goes into this monster shake. Well, Black Tap's freak shakes are just what milkshake dreams are made of. But beware, as their milkshakes are said to put in over 1,600 calories into your system. And next up we have the monster at Beach Buns at the Atlantis, the Palm. Well, if you're confused if you want to end your meal with a cake or a milkshake, then the monster is here to help. This freak shake is perfect if you want to have a cake and milkshake at the same time. The monster comes in a tall, sprinkler-coated glass loaded with over 5 different varieties of cakes, cheesecake, brownie, chocolate cake, and it has it all. Wait, there's also donut and oodles of Oreos. So this one's gonna take a hell lot of an appetite to polish this off. The third one is the Cookie Monster at Claw Barbecue at Soak Al Bahar. Gorge on clawsome burgers and steaks or dive into divine freak shakes at Claw. Their monster shake menu is sure to make you salivate, so make sure you don't go overboard with the main course. Well, if you're up for some chocolate drama, try the Cookie Monster Milkshake, a grand makeover to the good old chocolate milkshake. This one's got vanilla ice cream laced with Hershey chocolate swirl, loaded with ice cream and chocolate chip cookies. Well, quite chocolatey enough, right? The fourth one on our list is the 3D caramel popcorn milkshake at Grill Shack, downtown Dubai. Forget about the calories if you're heading to the Grill Shack. This quaint, rustic-looking place serves lip-smacking thick freak shakes, making it hard for any fitness freak to control the temptation. And if you're up to try something quirky, opt for the 3D caramel popcorn milkshake. Well, this one might sound simple, but it's loaded with oodles of caramel popcorn and salted pretzels, giving you the right mix of sweet and salt. And the fifth and the last one on our list is the King Kong Sundae at Sugar Factory City Walk. Well, this might not be a monster shake, but it's definitely one monster of a dessert. The King Kong Sundae at Sugar Factory will need a team to wipe it off. The dessert is made using 17 cans of whipped cream and a half a dozen of ice cream cones. Well, here's all that goes in. 20 scoops of ice cream covered with hot fudge caramel and strawberry sauce, pretzels, sliced bananas, marshmallows, malt balls, chocolate chip cookies, waffle cones, gummy bears, white chocolate strawberry shavings, fruity gummy slices, toasted walnuts and whipped cream, giant unicorn lollipops and sparklers on top. Well, in case you do give this a go, do let us know in the comments below.